Title: The Tale of Love and Loyalty. Once upon a time, in the quaint countryside of England, there lived a humble couple, Edward and Eleanor. They were bound together not just by the vows of marriage, but by a love that transcended time itself. Edward, a hard-working farmer, toiled day in and day out to provide for his family, while Eleanor, with her gentle demeanor, tended to their home with unwavering dedication. Despite life's hardships, their love for each other shone brighter than the sun on a clear summer day. Their story took a poignant turn when England was engulfed in the turmoil of World War II. Edward felt the call to duty and enlisted in the army, leaving behind his beloved Eleanor and their young daughter, Amelia, as he bid them farewell, promising to return. Eleanor held back tears, her heart heavy with worry. Months turned into years, and with each passing day, Eleanor's anxiety grew. She clung to Edward's letters like a lifeline, finding solace in his words amidst the chaos of war. But as the war raged on, the letters became less frequent, and Eleanor's fears threatened to consume her. Then, one fateful day, a knock on the door shattered the fragile peace of their home. A uniformed officer stood on their doorstep, bearing news that would change their lives forever. Edward, her beloved husband, had been declared missing in action, presumed dead. Eleanor's world crumbled around her as grief washed over her like a relentless tide. But even in her darkest hour, she found strength in the memories of their love. She refused to believe that Edward was gone, holding on to hope with all her might. Years passed, and Eleanor remained steadfast in her belief that Edward would return to her. She raised Amelia with unwavering devotion, instilling in her the same values of love and resilience that defined their family. Then, one spring morning, as the first rays of sunlight kissed the earth, a familiar figure emerged on the horizon. It was Edward, battered and weary from years of war, but alive and standing tall. Eleanor's heart soared as she ran into his arms, tears of joy mingling with the rain. Their reunion was a testament to the power of love and the resilience of the human spirit. Through the trials of war and the depths of despair, Edward and Eleanor's bond remained unbroken, a beacon of hope in a world torn apart by strife. And as they stood together, surrounded by the beauty of the English countryside, they knew that their love would endure for eternity, a timeless tale of love and loyalty that would be passed down through generations to come.